How to open two apps at the same time on Android. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So the first thing you need to do is you need to open the first app just like you normally do. And once you do that, you want to click on the three stripes at the bottom left, and then you need to click on the app icon at the top. You will get this pop-up window right here, from which you want to click on the option that says open in split screen view. Now the second step is to select the second app that you want to use. Say for example this one, and as you can see here, you have just opened two apps at the same time that you can use simultaneously. You can also use your apps by flipping your phone horizontally, so you can get this more space that you can use on the screen, as you can see right here. So that was it for this video. That's how you can use two apps at the same time on Android. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.